And a stormy afternoon leads to widespread damage across much of Montgomery County as high winds and hail knocked out power and left destruction in its wake. Good evening, everyone. I'm Yuki Washington.
And I'm Jessica Kartalija. This afternoon's dangerous and destructive winds uprooted trees onto homes and power lines. Most of the damage was in Montgomery County.
My whole backyard is full of hail.
Jackie Rafter is without power after the summer storm plowed right through her neighborhood.
And as soon as the rain came, the hail came. And no lie, 10 minutes, and it was unbelievable.
Nearby in Fox Chase, residents are also without power after trees were thrown onto power lines.
All the trees bent over that way, and the next thing I know, her tree uprooted and landed on the power lines. Snapped every power pole on the left side of the road.
Also in Montgomery County, the storm ripped part of this roof off the new Amazon fulfillment center being built. Giant chunks of the construction material litters Germantown Pike. To Bluebell, where it looked like Christmas in July in the Steeplechase community as hail covered the ground like fresh snow. And traffic was down to one lane on the Schuylkill westbound. Chopper 3 over the scene just west of the Fort Washington interchange, where there was heavy flooding on the side of the highway. And in Chester County, CBS 3 cameras captured this tree blocking Newport Gap Pike near Coatesville Road in London Grove.